Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the upload of new orders from Ecwid to Intercom. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, in Intercom you can create new leads, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get orders, new. Then you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we need to specify the login and password of the Ecwid personal account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Ecwid system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this point you see one of the Ecwid orders. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Ecwid data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select Intercom as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Create user/lead. At this stage you need to connect your Intercom account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the login and password of your Intercom personal account. At this stage, you need to grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Intercom account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you see the Intercom fields for creating new leads. First you need to select the type of contact. Then you can assign variables from Ecwid to the Intercom fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Intercom as new leads for each new order from Ecwid. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Intercom. After successful sending, go to Intercom and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. This completes the setup of Intercom data reception successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.